1, 2, 3, huff. Look at me. I can blow a tiny puff of sparkly smoke.
Hi, if you are always amazed by such videos and want to learn how AI actually works in the background, then let's join hand and let me teach you how. This is my setup where this is a Python code which orchestrates the whole AI journey. If you can see, I can set up the video durations and scene durations. We can set up VRAM purge, which is an important functionality to clean the RAM in between the video scenes generation. Then it talks about upscaling because we are generating video in a lower pixels. Then we upscale it to a 4K or a full HD as and when demand. Then the next set of settings are all about the model, the workflow which orchestrates and makes the video. We set up multiple parameters, whether the video length, the prompt, the negative prompt, positive prompt, all those things. Next section is crucial because we choose which LLM we are using. Are we using a local Olama, which I have a setup, or you're using a Gemini key or any other open APIs key. So from there, this section talks about the prompting guidelines that one can follow. And once you follow that, they have multiple options to choose pictures, whether you want to go for a single picture or a multiple picture, like I'm choosing a Wally picture here, or you can see one picture per scene, or you want computer to generate it. Then you put all the prompts. Don't worry, anyways, Olama or Gemini, whatever you're choosing, will parse the text and create the actual scenes from this text. So you click this button and it will go for parsing for either your local Olama or Gemini API. And it will orchestrate them to all the scenes which will be fed because we have to merge, we have to create multiple smaller scenes and merge into a video. So now when I've clicked, it is currently going to the local, I've chosen Gemini, so it's gone to Gemini for that. And this is created now in the background. This is the main workflow which has been triggered on my local machine, which is converting it scene by scene. So you can see you have to wait for some time and then you will get this message when the video is already generated. You can have a look of the video as well. This is how it looks. So basically how it works is that you are orchestrating in this particular workflow from an image to a video. So you can choose any image and you can convert it into a video. Text prompting you can give, you have to describe the scenes, which is something Olame will do. Now let me take you to the code. This is my Python code, which is the brain of all the things. You can see it's running on this local path where I was actually working upon. And all the prompts that we have chosen from the UI, you can see in the logs, they are being carried out. It's a very diverse code which handles, there are multiple workflows to it, image to image, text to image, or video to video, multiple workflows you can orchestrate and complete from here. I'll take you to the other codes. Like this is where the app.py is there and how it actually works. So well, I can share the code. I think this code is already made public on GitHub, which people can actually go and use. You need a computer setup for that. Either you can run on cloud if you don't want to go for a high-end computer, or you can install like me, because my idea is to keep everything on local machine. That's why I mostly use Olama for even parsing. And this video generation model is also working on my local, which you have seen the logs. This one I'm talking about there. This is where the videos are generated. So you can see this is a workflow. It's working on a Comfy UI. It's a very popular tool, and the model I'm using is LTX. The current one is I2V. We have LTX 2.0, which is image to video, text to video. All those models are there. So yeah, it's good. You can create such videos, amaze people. If you want to monetize, you can monetize it. It is a good journey to do. A lot of people will say this all can be done on multiple platforms online. Well, you can do it if you want to be a consumer of AI, but if you want to be a contributor of AI, you want to learn AI, then you have to set it up locally. As I'm from a banking domain, my idea is to have everything on my local machine, because any solution I'm making for banking, say for a financial solution or fintech solution, it has to be on local machine. And that's the motive that I'm trying to run everything on local. Yes, I've given option for Gemini API or Open API, which you can always leverage, but it goes both way. Hope you like this video and got a glimpse of how I am using AI in my daily life. Let's stay in touch. I'll be posting multiple videos and how to make them in future as well. Thanks. Bye bye.